Here is how to track Ethereum gas fees on Etherscan step by step. First, open your browser and go to etherscan.io. This is Ethereum's official blockchain explorer. At the top of the homepage, hover over to the More section and click on Gas Tracker, or go directly to etherscan.io/gas tracker. You'll now see a live dashboard showing current gas prices in GWEI for 3 speeds: low, which is the slow speed, average, or high, which is the fast speed. These represent how quickly your transactions will be processed depending on the fee. You'll also see estimated fees for common sections like sending Ethereum, swapping tokens on Uniswap, approving tokens, or minting NFTs. If you're planning a transaction, check this page first to avoid high fees during network congestion. You can also scroll down to see the top gas guzzling contracts and real-time gas usage across the Ethereum network. And that's how to track gas fee on Etherscan. Smart, real-time, and essential for saving on transactions. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.